Welcome to this month's newsletter. Today is November 29th. Hope you all guys had a good Thanksgiving. Looking at the market, and before I start, I'd like to apologize for last month's video. The voice recording was really not too good. I had some issues with the microphone, so hopefully this is better. So looking at the SPX, we are in a bullish territory here. We are way above the Kijun. Let me zoom in. And we have a flat Kijun, which is, as we know, is a magnet. We still have a few, maybe a week or so before the Kijun can start heading up to provide support. So at this point, I would still hold bullish positions. Keep your stops closed. Might consolidate here before the next breakout. There's nothing in here that says bears are anywhere near taking control. So until we see evidence of that, continue to stay bullish. Same scenario on the Dow. Nothing there is just stretched out from the Kijun. I really don't like this situation where it's so far stretched out from the Kijun. So keep a watch on that. Oil has done a nice breakout. It's above these levels. I would expect to test somewhere around the 48 area. Also, if you see, this one is also stretched out from the Kijun, so might be a consolidation before move up. But again, it is bullish. I would not want to short it unless it's a very short-term trade, maybe to test the Tenkan. UUP dollar, on the other hand, bearish, continuing to go lower. The Chicago is free to the downside. I would expect this one to maybe test the at least these lows around the 24.64 area. If they break that, then I would consider 24 as the next target. Gold, also bearish right now. Your first target around these highs, around the 1764 area. If they do break down, you have these lows here around the 1680 area. So keep a watch on that. Some stocks to look at. Google. Again, very bullish, just like the market, stretched out again from the Kijun. So I would not want to see it at all trade below the Kijun if you are bullish. You still have a week or so before this one can come up to provide support. If you are long, continue to stay long, but and I would not be afraid to buy above these highs. Netflix, on the other hand, I would not be too fast to get into the trade. It's doing a consolidation, as you can see, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. So that's a consolidation area. Chicago is now entangled in these candles. So I would avoid Netflix at this point unless they can break below these 460 area. If they can break below that, then that would be a good short. Let's see. Facebook, also same thing. Chicago is now in a congestion area. I would not want to be buying this one yet or shorting it. And people ask me about CCL, the cruise line stocks. It has broken out. If you look at the longer term chart, this is the weekly chart. Notice the Chicago is going to bang into these candles here in the next couple of weeks. So I would expect some consolidation. If you want to buy it, it's okay to buy it. You keep your stop loss below the Kijun here on the weekly basis, because it could either consolidate here if the Chicago hits these candles, but ultimately your target would be these the span B on the weekly here. So it's a good move up if it can do it, and a small stop loss. So aggressive traders can definitely get in. That'll be it.